It's a new movement now in Breslov. If you have a tzura, you want to go out from the tzura, every day take 50 minutes, 20 minutes, and make hoidua. Thank God for your tzura, what you have. So people ask me, what's if this come from the Rebbe, what Marash told about this, This is against the Torah. Because, let's take the Torah. Let me start from Parshas Barashis. What Avram Avinu do when he needs a yeshia? What Yitzchak do when he needs a yeshia? What Yaakov do when he needs a yeshia? What the Yiddish kinder do in Mitzrayim when they have tzuras? What? It's a chiyuv tefillah. What is tefillah? Ashboyne Shalom, help me. I have a tzura. I'm full of pain. I'm broke. Rebbeinu Shalom. Let's say a person, the kid's not going in the Yiddish derech. You know, in our days, it's mamash a magaifa. Mamash ki ein baas asher ein shames. Every family that lost kids. So you say for a person, every day say, thank Hashem, yeah, thank you. I really appreciate that my son not keeping Shabbos. You're making fun from people. No. You hear from this unshikanish. No, they ask him, it's beferish chazal, chai vudem levurich alaru, kishav shi bevurich alatoivu. You have to thank God on the bad things, like you thank God from the good things. What means chai vudem levurich alaru? I'm not going away from Hashem if Hashem do me bad things, if Hashem do me good things. Chai vudem levurich alaru. You are my God. If it's bad for me, if it's not bad for me, but Hashem halal dover, belekim halal dover. But I'm so thankful, Hashem. Yeah, it's a fake. It's no such a thing.